Oh yeah.
Quick unboxing of this trimmer. This is a multi-trimmer from Philips. This one is the Multigroom 5000. And I picked this one for a couple different reasons. It's washable, so you can put it under the sink. Compact design, and it's also rechargeable, battery powered. You get all these attachments. You get a bag and the cable and the shaver. I'll link this down below. If you like the knife, I'll link this too. I've had this for
14 years.
Well, that's how it slides out, this way. And the bag is on the other side, here. Alright, so you get the little pouch. Nothing crazy, but, you know, nice touch if you don't have one already. So inside the bag, you've got the charging cable, you've got a little brush, and you've got some guards. So this one's the body 3mm, this one's the 9mm, 1mm, 2mm, and this one is adjustable. It raises and lowers itself. Never used one, but maybe I will. It goes from 3 to 7, I'm assuming, millimeters. You would think it would feel cheap, but it feels like it would hold up. They have little dimples where it clicks into place. Not a heavy click, but definitely stays. And then you have the guidebook. This looks like a clipper. This looks like a trimmer, small trimmer. This is, of course, the nose trimmer, the body 5mm. Just kind of run through the other guards real quick. So you've got the 16mm, 12mm, 4mm, and 2 angled. These are the fading hair guards. This is the steel precision, and this is the extra wide hair trimmer. The body guards are the lighter gray. You can see they're a lighter color. And the last attachment is the steel trimmer, and that comes on the device itself. You can see here. Got some shrink wrap on the back, comes off. Wet and dry. So here's my hand. It's nice, compact. It's actually smaller than my hand from fingertip to wrist. Great size, perfect. Here, I'm gonna turn it on.
Dead.
Here are the specs. And let me get a charging brick and get some juice in this thing. So I'll be right back. Got a brick. Check out my other video on it. Adapters. I'll let that charge up. Here's a shot of this. Here's all the features, stuff on charging. Here's quick charge, 5 minutes of charging. It gives you enough juice for 1 cordless trimming session, apparently. Here's some tips. Rinse the attachments underwater. You got a diagram. Let's see if it powers on. There you go. Do like my hand hair here. See?
Oh yeah.
Yep, can't even feel it too. Taking it right off. Yeah, nice. Couldn't even feel it. Super gentle. I'm gonna charge it some more and I'll do a nose trimmer demo for fun. Alright, so here's how you take off the attachments. You pull up on the teeth side and it just pops right out. And then same thing, you take this little tab and you put it back in here. It's really easy, it just pops right in and out. Okay, another thing I'll show you. Right on this tip is the part that vibrates and makes the blades move. You can see it's white because there's a little bit of lubricant from the factory on that piece. And there was some where it sits in between these little white tabs here because that's what moves the blade back and forth. You can see me moving it on the spring here. So there is a little bit of lubrication grease in there. You can see it here. There's like a little squirt of grease in there, white. Just something to think about. Just putting a little bit of probably silicone based, something gentle in there every once in a while. So here's me putting on the nose attachment. So I just pop this off. It has that same tab here. And it fits really nicely. Pops right in. Like it just pops down, which is nice. Just put that tab in and boom. When I go to eventually shave my head, I'm going to use the wide hair trimmer and see if I can buzz my whole head using just this, because I'm going to get rid of my big Wall brand, WAHL brand clipper, which works really well, and I can link that down below too, but it's big and I would like to get by with this and then a face shaver to just have those two in my toiletry bag. So here, one sec. All right, guys and gals, I'll just show you doing my nose. I'm kind of scared. Oh yeah, that's great. Yeah,
That's good. It's good stuff.
I feel like I can smell colors now. So much easier for the neck. All right, so like, I mean, I did a bench. You know, I pretty much just.
Took a shave.
I gotta clean it all up. I mean, that was fast. Yeah, this thing rules. So check it out.